AI is here to stay. So what are we going to do about it as investors? Well, we need to get ahead of the curve and look at solid AI companies that will undoubtedly grow in the long term. Which companies? That's exactly what I'll be going into in this video. I'm going to share the top 7 AI companies worth investing in. Companies 2 and 1 will shock you with how powerful AI is. Robots are replacing doctors. Is AI already taking over the world? Stick around and find out. Number 7, Palantir Technologies. This was popular with the US Army. Palantir is a company that makes software to help businesses analyze data using AI. It was named the best AI software company in the world in September 2022 based on its revenue and market share. Palantir does a lot of business with the US government, especially in the defense and intelligence industries. Recently, it signed a contract worth $85.1 million with the US Army to help them use AI and machine learning to improve their equipment and supply chain. Palantir has a lot of potential for growth because there is a lot of demand for AI software from both businesses and governments. Bank of America thinks Palantir's stock is a good buy and thinks it will be worth $13 in the future. 6. Workday. Workday is a company that makes cloud-based software for managing people in a business. It has an AI system that helps businesses with things like scheduling and hiring. In April 2022, Workday added a virtual support agent called Barista to its platform. Workday is expected to make at least 15% more money each year and will have high profits through 2024. The company also has a high rate of people renewing their subscriptions, which will help it make even more profits. Bank of America thinks Workday's stock is a good buy and thinks it will be worth $220 in the future. 5. International business machines. AI doesn't always work out, or maybe we don't know how to handle it fully. Who knows? IBM has been trying to use its AI supercomputer Watson to improve different industries like healthcare, finance, law, and education. However, some of its programs using Watson for genomics and oncology did not work well, and IBM sold its healthcare data and analytics assets in early 2022. Even though this happened, IBM is still a leader in other AI technology, and its AutoML and AutoAI products can help people build and train AI and machine learning models. IBM has a lot of different products and also pays a dividend of 4.7%. The company's revenue and profits have recently increased and are expected to keep growing. Bank of America thinks IBM's stock is a great buy and thinks it will be worth $145 in the future. 4. Amazon. Have you ever wondered how Amazon is so fast to deliver to you? Amazon uses AI in many parts of its business, like advertisements, its online shopping search, and its cloud computing service. A lot of people use Amazon's virtual assistant, Alexa, in their homes. Amazon also offers AI services to its cloud customers, like chatbots and tools to help with text and code. In August, Amazon bought a home robotics company called iRobot for $1.7 billion, which might help it use AI in more homes around the world. Amazon is expected to keep growing because of trends like online shopping, cloud computing, and connected devices. 3. Alphabet. Google and YouTube's parent company Alphabet uses AI and automation in almost everything it does, like setting ad prices and filtering spam emails. It also owns a software company called DeepMind and a self-driving car company called Waymo. Waymo was the first company to offer rides in self-driving cars to the public. Alphabet's stock is a good value and it doesn't have much competition in its search business. The company also makes a lot of money and can buy back its own stock. 2. Nvidia Corp. This one just reminds us all how powerful AI can be and how it can be disastrous if it falls into the wrong hands. Nvidia is the company that makes chips that are really good at running advanced AI applications. It makes some of the fastest computer chips in the world, and they are used in a supercomputer called Leonardo. The parent company of Facebook, Meta Platforms, is building the biggest AI supercomputer in the world, and it uses a lot of Nvidia's chips. The US government recently stopped Nvidia from selling its new H100 and A100 AI chips to China and Russia because they're so powerful. Nvidia's chips are used in a lot of different industries that are growing quickly, like gaming, cloud computing, and self-driving cars. 1. Intuitive Surgical. Okay, this is the one that you've all been waiting for. Intuitive Surgical makes robots that help doctors do surgery. Its robots use advanced technology and can do surgeries with small cuts. Intuitive is working on using AI and big data to make new tools for surgeons in training. The company has been selling its robots for 22 years and still had a 13% increase in sales sales in the last quarter. Intuitive is one of the best companies in the medical technology markets because it has a lot of opportunities to expand into more types of surgery. I don't know about you, but the fact that we have robo-doctors right now is mind-blowing to me. From an investor's perspective, the artificial intelligence industry is expected to grow a lot in the next few years, from $59.7 billion in 2021 to $422.4 billion by 2028. Many different industries are using AI like machine learning, smart appliances, and self-driving cars. If a company doesn't use AI, it might not be successful in the future. Some stocks have AI as a main part of their business, and they're worth considering for your investments. If you're looking for a long-term investment in particular, then I definitely think that AI stocks are worth looking into. You won't get instant returns now, but with the way technology is developing, I have no doubt that AI will improve over the coming years. ChatGPT and Intuitive Surgical are just a couple of mind-blowing examples. So, do you think AI will take over the world? Is it worth investing in? Let us know in the comment section down below. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.